It's 2 a.m., you're exhausted, and yet your brain refuses to shut off. Here's what nobody tells you. Your sleep isn't broken because of melatonin, or blue light, or any of the things wellness apps keep selling you. It's broken because you never built the habits around it. In Japan, a culture with some of the most disciplined sleep routines in the world, 6 specific habits quietly protect the nervous system from the exact chaos keeping you up right now. By the end of this video, you'll understand all 6 and probably realize which one you've been missing your entire life. Habit 1. They separate the bed from the brain. In many Japanese homes, the bed is treated as sacred, used only for sleep, nothing else. No scrolling, no emails, no lying there just for a minute with your phone. Here's the psychology behind it. Every time you work, worry, or scroll in bed, your brain quietly learns a new association. This space is for being awake. Over months, that association becomes so strong that the moment you lie down, your mind automatically switches into alert mode, exactly when you need it to switch off. Habit 2. They cool the body down on purpose. A common evening ritual in Japan is a warm bath about an hour before bed. Not right before, an hour before. This isn't just relaxation, it's temperature engineering. When your body heats up and then gradually cools afterward, it mimics the exact internal drop in temperature your body naturally uses to trigger sleep. Most people do the opposite. A hot shower right before bed keeps the body too warm exactly when it needs to be cooling down. Habit 3. They eat their last meal early and light. In Japan, dinner is typically eaten several hours before bedtime, and it's usually light, rice, vegetables, fish, nothing heavy or greasy. This gives the digestive system time to finish its work before the body tries to power down for the night. Here's the twist most people don't expect. Digestion and deep sleep compete for the same resources. Eating a heavy meal late at night doesn't just risk indigestion, it actively pulls your body out of the deep, restorative sleep stages it needs most. Habit 4. They wind down with ritual, not entertainment. Instead of scrolling or watching something stimulating before bed, many traditional Japanese evening routines involve small, quiet, repetitive rituals. Tidying a space, preparing tea, light stretching, nothing exciting. That's the entire point. Your brain doesn't wind down through entertainment, no matter how relaxing the show feels. It winds down through predictability. A calm, repeated ritual signals to your nervous system, again and again, that the day is closing long before your head even hits the pillow. Habit 5. They protect a fixed wake-up time, no matter what. Even after a rough night, the habit isn't to sleep in and catch up. It's to wake up at the same time regardless, and let the body naturally get tired earlier that evening as a result. This sounds harsh, but it's one of the most effective resets there is. Sleeping in doesn't fix a broken schedule, it delays it. A fixed wake time, even after a bad night, is what actually retrains your internal clock the fastest. Habit 6. They treat morning light as medicine. Almost immediately after waking, many traditional routines involve stepping into natural light, opening a window, stepping outside, even briefly, not scrolling in bed with the curtains shut. Here's why this matters more than people realize. Morning sunlight is the single strongest signal your brain uses to set its internal clock. Get it early and consistently, and your body naturally knows when to start winding down again that night. No supplement required. 6 habits. None of them involve an app, a supplement, or forcing yourself to just relax. Just quiet, consistent signals sent to your body night after night until it remembers how to shut off on its own again. If your sleep has felt broken for a while now, you probably don't need a fix. You need a rhythm. And rhythms are built one small, boring, repeated habit at a time. Pick just one of these 6 tonight. Not all 6, just one. Let your body relearn the rest on its own time. If your sleep has needed this video, that probably means it's needed a lot more than you've said out loud. Take care of it. And if you found this helpful, share it with someone who's just as tired as you were before tonight.